nothing better than when you're camping. Well, welcome to Deer Camp 2024. Yesterday was November 15th, gun opener here in Michigan, and I took a 9-point buck as my very first deer. After 33 years of living, I finally bagged my buck. So super excited about that. The feeling is so surreal, but also I'm very thankful to have had the opportunity, as well as that the buck will be mounted. So I'll work on the next couple days getting that over to the taxidermy place, and then you guys will see that someday on my wall. But camp has been really cool. Last night we made some white bean chicken chili, which I still have here on the wood stove, just staying warm. And then I've been able to hang my hunting clothes away from the wood stove a little ways. We've got plenty of lights up here that have kept it very warm. My gun, I've got a Ruger American 350 Legend that I shot yesterday. That gets stored under my bed, and then this tote with just general stuff that gets closed up and whatnot. So yeah, this is that's deer camp. I've got just small fire going just to keep a fire going inside of that nice wood stove I just recently got. Was the Camp Chef Alpine XL that is doing amazing. I got my truck over here. Unfortunately, I blocked myself in because I drove into the trail, and then I can't get out that way because there's a tree down, but it's okay. Drove Brandon's truck to town when I needed to, so it's kind of a cool spot back here, tucked in the pines. See, one of my tie wires came loose, so I'll have to fix that today. It's getting kind of windy, so now it's crucial to have the tent tied down. Like I mentioned earlier, deer camp was up on top of that ridge last couple of years, but we decided to try something different, and Brandon and his kids have a nice little cabin they built onto a hay wagon running gear. So let's go over and check that out. So today we ended up working on this a little bit, but Brandon's got some tools out here. Right now he just has this one step to go up into it, but from the outside he's got a couple windows on this side, one window on the opposite side, and then just a tar paper roof right now. But on this hay wagon running gear, he's able to pull it into one of his equipment barns and be able to work on it. So just stepping inside. There's no lights inside, but the windows should have enough. It's like a 40-degree difference stepping in from outside to in here. The nice wood stove, he's got a whole home wood stove in here. Hung up his pans today. He's got a nice cherry shelf on the one window. His kids and him built these cots with 3-inch memory foam mattresses. Today he ended up putting up this shelf just out of a piece of live edge oak that he had laying around. And then this is some some white oak that came from one of our friend's properties when he built his house. There is a TV in here, but they had a Jackery box, and we were watching the Jake Paul Mike Tyson fight last night. He's got some nice oil lamps in here too, so more or less like an off-grid style cabin, and that was the goal. But this thing is so sweet, it makes me want to build one myself. So stay tuned for the future. Hopefully we'll be doing something like that soon. Good morning. Been up since like 3 a.m. It's currently 6 a.m. First light is around a quarter after 7, so I've got some time. I made some steeping some black tea, just something for some caffeine before I go out. Today is the last day I think I'm gonna hunt or stay out here. I do have tomorrow off, but I have to be up early to approve time cards and send out reports, even though I'm on PTO. So I need to get back to my laptop at least by tomorrow morning. But I'm starting to get cleaned up here. The stove has been just absolutely awesome. This is such a great size little camp stove. I'm starting to wash some dishes and stuff from the chili and whatnot. My battery box, if you guys saw the short video I made of making that, is just a little 33 amp hour battery, and it's done great for me. It's starting to drop down to 12.1 volts on the voltmeter, though I'm not sure what the capacity is yet or what's left. So I'm gonna take my time and get ready and go out one more time. I did shoot the 9-point Friday, and it's Sunday, and I've called the taxidermist place. I'm gonna have that deer mounted. It's already caped and everything. I've had it in the refrigerator. I ended up running it home, and then I'll drop that off probably this afternoon. So I'm gonna go out and hunt, come back in, and then probably start cleaning up and tearing down camp. If I end up getting something, I'll most likely end up just staying and dealing with it. So we'll have one more night. It was just Brandon and I last night. Both the boys, his boys, ended up going home. So it was pretty cool. But we had an early night last night, and then I ended up waking up early. So we'll see what happens today, but wish me luck. The no luck this morning. I'm gonna make some breakfast though. So I've got the wood stove still pretty hot, so I just threw a couple more logs in, and then getting that pan warmed up. I'm gonna make some breakfast sausage, venison breakfast sausage, English muffin, and egg sandwiches. Got some eggs, though I probably won't need these out for a minute. And then just some English muffins. I think I'll choose something different for tea this morning. Grapefruit and basil. I really like having this tea kettle, especially on like the side grate. I just put part of the tea kettle on the actual wood stove, and it just stays like perfect temperature, so it's not sitting there boiling or anything. It's just warm. Suppose I can get the dough and rut thing off the table when I'm cooking. Some hand wipe stuff ready because I'm going to make some sausage patties. Obviously don't have running water or anything out here, nowhere near running water. Carried a couple knives this trip. This is my bush lore mini condor, or condor mini bush lore is what it's called. I just oiled up the handle too. It's a walnut handle. Oiled that up and set it near the wood stove like all day yesterday, so it soaked in really well. My other knife that I brought with me this trip, I used to gut and skin the deer, which was my O knife. I think it's called Fortitude 2. And that was a sweet knife. I'm really glad I brought it. I just bought that not long ago. So I've got 6 English muffins, and some tin foil. And I think Brandon and his son are out hunting this morning. So I'm gonna pre-make all of the, probably make 6 of them, and then once they come in, I'll have them wrapped in tin foil and be able to they'll be able to just eat those kind of like a pre-made breakfast sandwich. Got it cooking on the wood stove. I love it. Work in Kentucky quite often, and I always buy this stuff. It's called Ale 8. It's made in, I think, Winchester, Kentucky, which is really close to where I go. So it's like it's soda, but it's like a ginger ale with citrus. It's really good. Alright, start assembling, and then when the rest of the guys come in, they'll have a meal. So I'm not going to go crazy with it like I would the regular stuff, but Texas Pete's a really good, like, mild, just all around hot sauce. It's probably been my favorite for just about anything. Toasted English muffins, venison breakfast sausage, and Tony Chachery's eggs. Definitely am not going to finish both of these, but cheers everyone. Here's to Deer Camp 2024. Nothing better than when you're camping. Wood stove's going really well. I've just got the door open and this window open back here. It's plenty warm in here. Well, I've got a lot of work ahead of me today, but I'm gonna eat my breakfast and try to take my time and enjoy the time that I've got left here. So my goal is to be out of here by probably around noon, and it's just now 9 o'clock, so I've got to take that deer head over to get mounted, so that's got to be around midday or so. So I think my timeline's pretty respectable for the day. But my name is Justin with JB Outdoors. Thanks again for everyone that's watched, especially if you made it this far in the video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Remember to spend more time outdoors. I'll see you all on the next video.